I just put a fresh, well, not fresh, but a new to him branch off a willow tree, and he loves stripping the bark off of these branches. Most of the branches he's stripped the bark off of, and as a result he doesn't have much grip on the branches when he perches. But he's been going at this thing since I put it up. I knew he's part woodpecker. See if he's willing to come out of the cage while he's on my shoulder. There he is. He came out of the cage without any. Oops. Now we'll come over here. He doesn't seem bothered by me and my camera too much anyway.